So example number 1. An alternator has 6 poles and operates at 1200 RPM. What frequency does it generate? So, pag sinabing frequency, merong formula. Ang formula ng frequency ay frequency equals to poles times RPM all over 120. So, nabanggit dito ang given ay 6 poles. So, 6 times yung RPM na 1200 all over 120. So, ang sagot dyan ay 60 cycles. Yes. Example number 2. To get the armature resistance of 100 megawatts, 13.8 kilovolts, and 90% power factor generator, two terminals are connected to a DC source. The measured current and voltage are 87.6 amperes and 6 volts respectively. What is the DC resistance per phase? So, may formula ulit to. So, resistance DC direct current equals to ADC all over IDC. Ang value ng ADC ay 6 volts all over, yung IDC naman ay yung given na 87.6 amperes. So, pag divide mo na, it equals to 0.0685 ohms. If Y connected, RA equals to RDC all over 2. So, yung RDC ay ito equals to 0.0685 ohms all over 2. So, ang sagot dyan, kung Y connected ay 0.03425 ohms. If delta naman, delta connected, so RA equals to, may formula na 3 all over 2 times RDC. So, ganito lang yan. 3 times 0.00685 ohms all over 2. So, if delta connected, ang sagot ay equals to 0.10275 ohms. Yan. So, example number 3. A 2 MVA 2.3 kilowatts 3-phase Y connected alternator operates at rate kVA at a power factor of 80%. The DC armature winding resistance between terminals is 0.08 ohms. The field takes 70 amperes at 125 volts from an exciter equipment. Friction and windage loss is 20 kilowatts. Iron losses 38 kilowatts. And stray load losses are 2 kilowatts. Calculate the efficiency of the alternator assuming the effective armature winding resistance is 120% of the DC resistance. So, ang pagkuha niyan, so P out, ayun natin yung P out so 2 yan times 0.8 equals to 1600 kilowatts. Then the I equals to S all over square root of 3 VL equals to 2 times 10 raised to 6 all over square root of 3. Ang VL natin is 23,000 equals to 502.04 amperes. So sa RA equals to R1 all over 2 equals to yung R1 natin ay 1.2 times 0.08 all over 2 equals to 0.048 ohms. So PA equals to GIP squared RA equals to 3502.04 squared times 0.048 equals to 36.294 kilowatts. So P1 equals to V1 I1 so 125 times 70 equals to 8.75 kilowatts. So next, P losses equals to PA plus P1 plus P iron plus P stray load. So lagyan natin yung mga given sa PA 36.294 plus 8.75 plus 36 plus 20 plus 2 equals to 103.044 kilowatts. Malapit na. So N equals to P out all over P out plus P losses. Natin yung mga value. So 1,600 all over 1,600 plus 103.044 times 100%. So ang hinanap natin ay N equals to 93.9%. Yan. So example number 4. What maximum voltage can exist across a lamp when two 230 volts alternators are synchronized? How many 115 volts lamps connected in series should be used in place of the single unit shown? So V lamps. V lamp equals to 2 times 230 volts. Sabi dito 2 times 230 volts all over square root of 3, given yan. So ang labas niya ng sagot is 266 volts. So example number 5. What is the speed of 100 kilowatts, 230 volts, 3 phase, 4 poles, 60 hertz? So n number turns to 120 times frequency, that's 60 all over poles, so 4 poles. So n equals to 1800 revolution per minute. So example number 6. A 6-pole 3-phase AC generator has 72 slots. The coil span is 12. What is pitch factor? So una, kunin muna natin yung pitch. So coil span is 12. Slot per pole is 72 all over 6. The answer is 1.0. So pagkuha ng pitch factor is sin 90 degree times yung pitch factor na 1.0 is equals to ano lang 1.